Welcome to Kusina ni Mayo. For those who didn't subscribe yet, please pa-subscribe po. And click the notification bell for more informative videos here from Kusina ni Mayo. Ingredient. We have here 1 1/2 cup all-purpose flour. We have here 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. We have here 1/2 cup flake almonds. I'm going to mix the dry ingredients here, just like this. Ito natin ito together. Nasabi yung baking powder at saka yung ating flour. We're going to gradually mix our batter mixture. Yeah, our oil mixture with the carrots. So slowly po. Gradually. If we are using the oven, we must preheat our oven 15 minutes before baking. So the heat of the oven should be 350 degrees Fahrenheit, but I am going to steam it, so boil the water for steaming. There must be no traces of any flour here before we are going to pour it in our baking pans. Procedure po is nasa custard. Dun sa previous video na po natin, I only use half po dun sa dating vlog na natin. So I'm going to put here half. Here you go. That's half only. Then this is I'll put here half also. Huwag tayong matakot kasi bababa ko sa mamaya po yung ating custard mixture. I'm going to cover it with the foil para wala pong water na malalagay sa packet ng steam. You must see to na cover po lahat. Then the other one, this one, the hard one. This one for the birthday of Marie and Joseph. Happy birthday to you both, Sir Joseph and Mom Marie. Mary Ann, I should say, Mom Marie. Happy birthday. Rinse sila. So, we're going to steam it. Lagay pati sa steamer. I use my small steamer. I think magkakasya. So, we're going to steam it for this one, yung walang flan po, we're going to steam it for 30 minutes. Let's check it out later. And then this one, I think this will be steam for 45 minutes. Ito po sa may natin. Fire here. Then we covered it. Dun po sa labas po, dun sa labas ng steamer, naglagay pa ako ng cloth kasi parang may butas po para po wala pong lalabas na steam para maluto lahat yung gilid po. 30 minutes na po yung nakalipas, so we're going to check the carrot cake. There you go. Going to use the cake tester to check it. It's done. Wow, it's done. We're going to check it. So it's done. Then na po, wala na pong dumidikit. Yan po. Going to open it. Going to check it. I named this Leche Ca Flan from Kusina ni Mayo's version because it is the combination of leche flan po at saka ng carrot cake. So, leche ca, fruit cake, ganun po, with almonds, of course. So, this is very healthy. So, ito na po yung carrot cake naman natin. Okay, that's pure. It's very delicious. Thank you po. Please subscribe. So, I am already decorating the carrot cake with my chocolate syrup from my previous vlog po. Ayan po. So, that's carrot with almonds for my gift for Joseph, Sir Joseph and Mary Ann's birthday later on. Ayan po. Very delicious. Oh my god, chocolate. My god, I love it so much.